Um, X equals 1.
Yep. And then
And
you're
then
going to put
so
that back into CD.
C, D, so 3, 4.
Very good. So a lot of solving. Right? And you've done a great job with me doing that. 58 here, same thing. The angles are congruent. It's a final, so you don't have to get perfect. You just got to get through it. If you're not sure, just set them equal. Go ahead and solve for X, please.
X equals 2. So 2. X equals 7. And then 7.
X equals 7, and you're done. I mean, if they wanted the angle, you could put that back in. These are just asking you to solve for X. So same thing here. You're going to set the two equations equal to each other.
Plus X equals 3.
It's 3. Last one here for this grouping. Same thing. You're going to solve for X. Set the equations equal.
Did I write that right? Yeah. And then divide by 3. And that is 8.
X equals 8. Good. Okay. Um, so let's look at the next grouping of questions. I'm going to grab the figure first. That's kind of the most important thing. It says that DE, DE and F are midpoints. So what that means is that HD is congruent to DG, EF is congruent to F, whatever the other letter is, and then HE is congruent to E, whatever the other letter is. All right, so the reason that's important is that's what allows us to solve these equations. Um, this is J.
Yeah.
The other thing that it helps you figure out is the relationship between the ones that are parallel. So like DE is going to be half of GJ, or GJ is double DE.
Okay. Do I make them equal to each other?
They're not equal though. Like DE is
Oh,
half
wait. So
of
it's half. So it'd
GJ,
be.
or GJ is double the other one. So
And would it?
it's either DE equals 1/2 GJ, or GJ equals 2 times DE.
Okay. So would I do like 3x plus 25
Equals
equals and then 2x plus 5 times 2? Oh yeah, yeah.
4x plus 5 times 2. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, go ahead and solve that for X.
Mm. equals 5x. X equals 3.
Okay. Any questions on that?
No.
You said x equals 3.
Yeah, and then you substitute for 3.
Let's see here. That is right. So x is 3, and then you got to put that back into the DE one
4
for
plus 5. 17.
17. Good. Okay. So let me grab this figure again. Talk about the next question, which is
Oh, is it like the same thing? Just
the same thing. The different, they're talking about EF and HG. So it's either that EF equals 1/2 of HG, or HG is equal to 2 times EF.
so HG 5x minus 1 equals 2 2x plus 7. X equals 15.
Okay. And then they want you to find EF this time.
2, 15, 30. Plus 7, 37.
Okay. And then the next one, same thing. They're giving you,
DF, DF, H, H, J. Oh, so it's HJ 5x plus 4 equals 2 um, 4x. So 8x plus 2. X plus 4 minus 3x plus 2 4. Wait, did I do this wrong? Yeah. X plus 4 equals 2x minus 1. Well, I got an uneven, like a decimal. I don't think I did it right.
this one does work out. It's x equals 3 again, looked like, or 2.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. I think I see. Change this, change this, change this, and then that makes it. There you go. There you go. Wait. 6 equals 3x. Divided by 3, divided by 3. 2 equals x. And then substituted in for HJ. So 1, 2, 10, 14.
Okay. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay. So the next grouping of questions is about the hinge theorem. Is that you remember hearing that in class?
One more time.
Hinge theorem. I don't even know why it's called that, but it tells you that the largest side is across from the largest angle. So in this problem, the largest side is 30 BA. So they went smallest to largest. So that's BA. The smallest is CA. Okay. That's BC is the middle one. So the largest angle is across from the largest side. Does that sound familiar?
Um, yeah, I
Okay.
think.
Well, you got to remember
So
that. You got to remember that. And then the smallest angle is across from the smallest side.
so would it be B is the smallest?
Yeah, B is the smallest because it's across from there, and then A is in the middle.
So if you only know that one, R.
Now, on the one on the right here, we first need to figure out the other angle measure. How do you do that?
Oh, it's what is it called? I forgot the word.
The three angles add up to 180. You don't have to worry about what it's called. You just got to know how to
Oh,
do it.
so wouldn't it be? Wait,
Like this
why am
one's
I?
90.
Oh wait, oh 90. So then it would be 180 equals 90 plus 29 equals X.
That's right.
Like strong. 180 equals 90 plus X. Um, 61 equals X. 61.
Okay. So that
Oh, and then
all
it
right.
would be
So now the angles are these ones, right? The biggest one is Q, then S, then R. And then the sides are across from there. So what letter is across from what sides are across from the RS?
oh from RS Q. Wait, 90.
Yeah. Um, what's across? So R, yeah, you just said it's RS.
And then QS is the smallest. Yeah. Wait.
QS is the smallest, yep. And so RQ is the one in the middle. Any questions on that?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So why don't you try these on your own?
Um, FG is the biggest. Wait, yeah. And then FH is the smallest, and then HG is the second biggest. And then GFH. 40. Um, so the biggest would be BC. The smallest would be AC. I mean, BA is the second. Angles. B is the biggest. Let's see. Okay. I think I did that right.
Do you want to feed me your answers or do you want me to just,
Oh,
let me, I can write them out here too. So the sides here, I think that's the easier one here. FG is the largest, and then HG, and then FH. If you have your orders, letters, which that's fine. The biggest angle is H, and then F, and then G, right?
GFH. Okay, I got that one right.
All right, so the angles are probably the easiest to do here. C is the smallest, then A, then B.
I had it backwards.
Did you find the missing angle of 55 or 45? Did I
Yeah,
not do that right? That's
it's
why.
I got 45.
Well, you are correct. I am wrong. So it is A, C, B,
Oh wait, okay, yeah.
right? And then the sides across from it, not too bad, right? AC, BC for that one, and then AB.
Yeah.
All right. There's a lot of answers for the next grouping of questions, meaning like sometimes there's more than one way to answer these. So 3 points that are collinear, that means they're all on the same line. Can you give
Uh,
me
um, P, A, and Z.
A and Z?
I think this picture's messed up.
It's not the best picture. Right, three different names for line key. So it's based on those. It's
Three
PA,
different line names. Oh, PA,
AZ, or EZ.
PZ. Name a point not collinear with MRZ. And
Something not on the plane.
so Q.
Q works, so does D. All right, what is the intersection of AQ and ZR?
I think the picture's messed up.
It's there.
Wait, is the intersection of AQ.
Sometimes there's just a lot of distracting stuff on there. AQ is this line, and then ZR is right there. So they meet at that point, A.
Oh, A. I was looking, I don't know. I swear I was looking at this picture wrong. Because there's a bunch of like, I don't, lower, like, why is G lowercase?
Don't know.
And P doesn't, and P and V don't have a dot. So I was confused.
Next question here. Find the indicated length. So the AD here, AD is 18. If you divide that by 4, you get 4.5 for each of these. I'm sorry, by 3. I am really struggling.
Oh.
That is terrible. Right, divided by 3 is 6. We get 6, 6, and 6. And then that helps you to find DE because DE is the rest. These three are 18, so that's 9. And that should be enough to help you to find the rest of these. Like DE is,
So DE is 9,
yeah, AB is
AB
6,
6,
BD
BD is 12,
and CE
CE, where's E? 6, 4, 15.
15. Good. All right, and we hit the post there. We're all done. Okay, good job.